Excellence in Science. Best in TLT. Excellence in Communication Arts, English and Filipino. Best in Araling Panlipunan. Boy Scout of the Philippines Participant and Boy Scout of the Year. First place, Takitan ng Talino, Concepcion Foundation Day. First place, Takitan ng Talino, Fiesta Concepcion. Fifth place, East Cruz. 10th place, Municipal Schools Press Conference. Second place, Arnis Single Baston, Division Level. Third place, Arnis Double Baston, Division Level. At third place, Arnis Sword and Dagger.
Girl, your love's in vain. Now you feel ashamed. Girl, you told me no because I wasn't getting paid. These hoes I can't blame. Nobody feeling my pain.
Decision Magdalo sidestep, may kasama pang iba. Then nag-time out kami guys para may game plan yung kalaban. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's ball team. And then pinapasok na namin ang first 5 sa aming team. Oh diba effective? Sabi ko naman sa inyo. What a nice game plan. Time out ulit kami kasi may bago akong game plan. Ito yung sinasabi kong game plan. Step back, crossover behind the back dunk. Proud father here, anak ko yan. Ito kapitbahay ko to. May action pa yan. Ayoko na, sumusubra na kayo. Maglalaro na ako sa kabilang team. Go Giant! At dahil lumipat ako sa kabilang team, ayaw nila ako i-handshake. Bala kayo, hindi ko kayo bigyan ng milkshake. Haha, may isa pa akong kambal. Time check, 24 hours left in one day. Narinig ko to, sabi niya, don't shoot when your eyes is open. James Yap to Kevin Durant. What a nice one! 360 3-point layup. Bang! Stephen Curry celebration. Class picture muna kasi tapos na yung first quarter. Start of the second semester na pala to guys. Wow, ang galing! Kunin ko to varsity sa Sibatakwaw. Hala si Jordan Paul! Side step, left foot, backward. Sheesh! Sige, push pa! Ipakita mo ang iyong paa. Proud teacher here. 4, 3 equals 12. Basic math, no need calculator. Hala, ang sweet nila. Nag-hug silang dalawa. Oops, tama na. Masama nagkikipag-away. Boy dribbling the ball. Highlights of the world incoming. Poster race, magnetize, sympathize, minimize, show my rights. Nabuang lahat ng tao dito guys. Isa pa. Poster race, magnetize, sympathize, minimize, show my rights. Boy, ako, titikman. Aray ko, ba't mo ko dinamay? Jumping jump shot, what a night. Tignan nyo to guys, Euro step sa Asian continent. Wow, so professional. Guys, tignan nyo yung highlights ko dito. Nadapa ako, pero pinasaw like golden interference for 3. Bang, 5 points with handsome.
We took it all apart, but I'm wishing I'd stay. When I I changed. Things don't feel the same. I don't wanna play no games. Since I got this fame, it's been so hard to love again. Girl, your love's in vain. Now you feel ashamed. Girl, you told me no because I wasn't getting paid. These hoes I can't blame. Nobody feeling my pain.